got some breaking news for Amazon sellers, and while suspensions are never good news, what I want to talk to you about today is that the suspensions that we're seeing, other than the tons and tons of related account cases, are that Amazon has been more inclined to suspend your listings rather than shut down your entire account. While suspensions are never good news, I do think this is partially good news because it's always better to simply lose a listing rather than have your entire account go down. Now, the same mechanism is in place. The same mechanism works to get listings back that we use for account suspensions. We do both. Listings, we do account suspensions, IP issues, arbitrations against Amazon. We help sellers with whatever your needs are. So here's the structure of a plan of action, whether it's for an entire account that's gone down or just a listing. Number one, root cause. What do you perceive as the problem that caused Amazon or a consumer to have an issue with your listing? Identify it in a positive way. This is what we believe the root cause is, and this is how we're going to fix it. Number two, your immediate reaction, your immediate remedy to when you learn there was an issue with the listing or if your account is down. That should almost always be that you will refund the consumer the full amount of their purchase price. They can keep the product. You might even send them a whole nother one. Even if the consumer's pulling a scam on you, let them get over on you. It's minor cost to get the listing back. Number three, the systemic changes for that product, for that listing, how you are going to be an even better seller on Amazon for that particular listing. And those are the three sections of every single plan of action. You also may need to submit documentation where you source the product from, how you package it, how you're going to improve the packaging, what software you're going to use to be better at selling products on Amazon. Back it up, document it, automate if you can, and always take a look at Amazon's leadership principles. And if you can work them into your plan of action, all the better. If you want to learn more about how you can write your own plan of action, go to our website, AmazonSellersLawyer.com. Go to our blog, put plan of action into our search engine, and I think at this point in time, there are probably hundreds of videos for you. Also, you can download our book on how to avoid account suspensions, how to avoid listing suspensions, and how to recoup your listings or your accounts for free. 100% free. Go to our website, click books, go to the suspension book, download it, read it, protect your account, especially now that we are right in the middle of Q4. Thank you for joining me for today's video. Please like the video, share the video, and make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel.